I say, research bi a ya na atra ya na day. Appreciation ya bi a no here pa na ya compile or ye replies of Ghanaian women if you send them mobile money and now they send one is car based on amount they be send one no appreciation messages in a year's way. Number 1 year 50 cedis. Benina a send Ghana be 50 cedis. Normally reply biemba or there one can say free. Maybe send the mommy sikanaba. No, I can I've seen it. Now, researching when I was sending 100 CDs in a sender what throw LOL scene. Chade laughing out loud. Yehu. Bet unkusuyen. Now, eshe oye 200 CDs for now. What throw thank you, but one throw on a 4. You see thanks. Thanks and was spelling TNX. When I was sending 200 CDs in one channel so. Now 500 CDs or in kind of 5 million. A send Ghana be 5 million. Reply all the money. Thank you so much, Hon. Hon in here, honey. But what try do HUN? I mean, I'll be sending 500 CDs this weekend. A bed on desse. The Marasuna in Benginufuna, what dream a zana sabi. Sikawa woko to kumina wotum was sending 1,000 CDs and above. A send Ghana be 1,000 CDs above. Reply all the morning there. God bless you. Nyamin show. Anytime you want me to come home and anytime you want me to come over, just let me know. These are beautiful replies. Or yeah, Ghana be send one is car. Was among. Very soon I'll be bringing you the billionaire list. Only one I was sending from 5K Zekon.
All be lie.
But I'll be baby said na Ghana bengin fu one send one yankufum bengin fusikana. Yes, they do. They do that. And some of the men also, you know, what replies I was a man call for. Now this is what the men do. A send Ghana bengin ska 20 CDs in a penny sending. Obeka the chairman, you do all. Say send 50 CDs are also chairman. You won't finish me with joy. A pede zenije idukumana 50 CDs no. A send ma wanyanku benginin. Na sending 100 CDs are zabeting my boss, my chief, Charlie. God bless you. And you me bengini bi oya. Or send with the message ya. Bonizin or comment section mo. Now. Mbenginufuna wotum send one yankofu mbenginufu 200 CDs in ozo be ni DPCC boko Facebook ne WhatsApp status na our sending is scan wo picture da wo. This is research aya to ye buya ye wo mani mu na mbenginufuna wotum send one yankofu mbenginufu 500 CDs and above. See, a to me send one yanko benginu 500 CDs are one. Every day be oba frawada was Charlie senior man. And the may and I say oh, especially tidy boys, oh, senior I na Charlie Nyami show baby. Every day be chile when who did be to status or be comments. You understand? That is how Ghanaian men show appreciation to fellow men. Take note. Until the question is left to you there. It's way CCA. Would you send a woman money or you send your fellow Ghanaian man money? It's clear that Ghanaian men appreciate things and so do the needful. Menomany 0243 74 84 07. Send him skebi na appreciation. I wish appreciation na madzaba model or list him.
All be lie.
Rough. We're from VJ Parkourage. Now let me know the messages are or you're overwhelming anytime I send Obiska. Let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey.
Aye.
All be lie.